The VMCE pinch valves are based on a combination of an elliptically shaped stainless steel body and an EHEDG certified EPDM sleeve. Depending on requirements, this basic design can be supplemented with one of 5 available hygienic connection designs in stainless steel. Thanks to their hygienic and dead space-free design, VMCE pinch valves are ideal for shutting off or regulating viscous media, especially in the biotechnology, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, chemical, food, and beverage industries. Due to their optimum soft sealing properties, they are particularly suitable for media containing solids such as creams, pastes, sauces, syrups, and broths. The absolutely free product flow allows even larger solids to be shut off tightly and without clogging, such as fruit gums, sweets, nuts, dried fruit, spices, tea, and many other solid media. The VMCE series pinch valves are uniquely certified to EHEDG type EL Class 1 and type EL Aseptic Class 1. The classic cleaning variants, such as ZIP or the sterilization variant CIP, can also be used to ensure aseptic operation of the VMCE pinch valves when installed. With threaded spigots, hygienic flanges, tri-clamp, collar tri-clamp, and weld-on ends, you can choose from 5 different hygienic valve connections made of stainless steel. All variants are, of course, designed for aseptic applications in accordance with standards. Pinch valves in the VMCE series are available in 10 nominal sizes ranging from DN10 to DN100, with different variants available for each size. Compared to conventional valve bodies, the specially developed elliptical design of the VMCE series reduces compressed air consumption by up to 40%. The VMCE pinch valves are, of course, CE compliant, designed in accordance with the requirements of the Pressure Equipment and Machinery Directives, and are fitted with FDA and EC 1935 compliant sleeves as standard. Thanks to the numerous structural advantages, VMCE pinch valves can be used wherever hygienic ball, diaphragm, or butterfly valves have significant disadvantages. The sleeve, the heart of each pinch valve, is perfectly designed to interact with the other components and delivers unbeatable service life, even in the most difficult applications. The VMCE pinch valves not only offer many operational advantages, they also represent a sustainable and cost-effective valve solution compared to conventional hygienic valves. After all, the simple and flexible component replacement and the outstanding service life are just 2 of the many features that contribute to an attractive total cost of ownership. To find out more about the VMCE pinch valves, visit pinch-valve.com.